So that wraps up the video. Oh no, wait guys, wait a minute. It's going up too far now in the back. God. All right, we're going right back into it. What's going on, guys? I'm gonna do a little bit of work to the 240. It's a 1995 Nissan 240sx, and it's equipped with a 2JZ GTE engine, single turbo, upgraded injectors, and a whole bunch of goodies. It's all stock, okay? It is the VVTi version. So today, we're going to be working on an issue. It's been driving me nuts for a long time. Here's the issue that is annoying me, that we will fix. Well, number one, that's a new issue. 240 things, you know? This wasn't broken yesterday, so who knows? All I do know is that it doesn't work, okay? And also, that's not good. You can see I've done this plenty of times. Also, the window's a little bit off track. So today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the door card, and I have this replacement roller that the window track, I guess, or the window track, whatever it is, fits into. I have no idea. We're gonna find out right now. I will show you the part. If you guys like this content, you like 240 stuff, maybe you own a 240 or you want a 240 or whatever, you just like hearing me talk and do shit in a garage, follow the channel. Haven't even opened it. So here we go. We're gonna open this bad boy, and it should just be a little piece of plastic. Hey, we got two of them. Okay, so these little completely 3D printed pieces will probably and hopefully fix the window. So the first step that we need to do is move this bike because it's just completely in the way. First thing I'm gonna need is a screwdriver. We're gonna pop this door card off, undo all the screws. I'm not gonna bore you guys with this. I'll probably fast forward it all. So, first step is done. Me, I'm gonna destroy my own car, but honestly, it doesn't matter. You know why? Because it's got a rust hole here, it's got bubbling here, it's got a rust bubble here, paint's flaking there, it's got some weird shit going on in the fender here, and rust here. You can see I was in here before. I put new, whatever the hell this stuff is, and put the new, for the vapor barrier. All right, so we're gonna have to remove it. This will be fun. This stuff is sticky as shit. We're gonna start peeling this off. This stuff is sticky, my guy. Like I'm talking the stickiest. Ripped it. All right, big. Why is my phone going off? If anyone could comment what that ringtone's from, I'll be impressed. No, what the f? Okay. First, let's try to get the motor working because I'm pretty sure the motor has to work for me to lower the window to get to where these go. Let's try this. Let's try to just bang it. Maybe it got a little bit seized. I've never had it seized before. That's not good. But let's see here. So let's plug in the switches, power it on, and I'm gonna bang it while I lower it. Hey, there we go. There we go. What I think, before I look at this little tutorial, is I think the rollers go here. It's hard to see it. Maybe you can see it. I can't tell, but see this little metal on metal? Pretty sure that's where a roller was. And if I look in here, look at that. That's a piece from the old roller that broke and fell off. I also see a ketchup packet or something. I'm gonna get it. No idea what this is. It is a Checkers Rally packet that there's nothing inside of it, yet it's full of air. It's tomato ketchup. I've never seen that before in my life. It's like full with nothing. Makes no sense. If you want it, let me know, I'll sell it to you. All right, this one I can get to. Don't know if I have to take the glass off. The other one's like over here. All right, no idea how easy or hard it is to get to that, but that one looks like, you know, that one has the roller. So maybe I could just pop it in and put it in there. That'd be insane. Let's just see if it fits. I got 2 of them. So like that just comes off. See, here's the thing. If I put it on here, I'm pretty sure it just snaps on there. I don't know how I'm gonna get it in here. I don't think it'll slide in that way. And there's a bump there. So let's look up how to do this. I'm gonna scan this QR code. Whop. Hey, Zilvia.net post.
Bruh.
This QR code is taking me to a Zilvia post. And apparently, as you can see here, Zilvia.net has been permanently closed. In December 2025, an unauthorized party obtained forum account data and published it online. Blah, 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 blah. So this site's offline. I have no instructions. I have emailed the seller. So we'll see if he has a forum post somewhere else, maybe on Facebook, or he has a file I can download. But for now, I'm gonna wait to see and hear back from the seller, and then we'll continue this video. We're gonna dive back into the car, and we're gonna try to get this done. I did reach out to the seller, and they haven't responded. So we need to figure this out ourselves. So let's do some deeper assessing here. Well, it does go up that way. It looks like it goes to around here. And it comes out, and then it comes back in. So if I was to make a notch here, I should be able to slip these things in. So I might try to bend this up a tiny bit this way, a tiny bit this way, and fit the roller in. Before I do that, I'm gonna clean the area. Let's get some things to clean it and some things to grease it. Let's get some rags, let's get some brake cleaner. So what do we got? We got white lithium grease. That'll do it. So, first step, gonna fucking spray the shit out of this channel. Nice and D-black. There's a lot of gunk in there. Now it's gonna be roller time. So let me go get some pliers. One of these should work. Come on. All right, that should hopefully do it. That's the big end. Hey, look at that, guys. We're in. We are freaking in. Okay, so we know that fits. All right, beautiful. Now it's time to grease it. I'm just gonna go crazy with this stuff, man. I'm just gonna put it all in here and then kind of smear it around. Put it on the roller itself. Squeaking out it's coming out the freaking side, dude. Ridiculous, man. What am I doing here? All right. It's like we're freaking baking a cake. All right. So, boom. Beautiful. I want to have the fastest Nissan 240sx window on the planet. I don't care about the speed of the car. Speed's okay, but the window, I'm gonna have the fastest window. No room. Hey, baby. All right, it's in there. All right, window's still like off center, but let's keep doing this and work it in. What the? Oh no. Oh no, that's not good. That's not good. All right. I don't know why it came out, but it shouldn't have come out. The only thing I could think of is to bend the track back a little bit. A little bit back. Okay, let's try this a few times. I think we fixed it. Now, we need to adjust the stoppers, and I can already see that this one is higher up than this one. Let's lower this guy. Let's see what the fuck happens here. Hey, all right. I have to lower this, like by that. Let's try that. All right, whoa. Okay, I'm gonna have to angle this though. Wait a minute, guys. Are you kidding me right now? So this thing is adjustable, and I'm pretty sure it's hitting here like it's supposed to. So this is just like the guide, which I think we have adjusted. These are the stops. Wow. Okay, so this is what stops the window from coming up. And I can see this one's on an angle. So that could be why. Whoever was in this door at some point put this thing back on a slight angle, causing it to be not perfect. They didn't test it. They put the door back together. And that was it. Let's go, let's raise it a little bit. Let's see what happens. Let's try it there. We're getting so close. And this will probably be it. Keep it in the center. I like that. That's so much better. Let's see how we can get this on here. I'm pretty sure it's like that. Let's get it around the handle. Let's just do this first and stick it. Vapor barrier is back in. Now we need to install this guy. And to put the door card on, we just slide it on top into the little channel. I think that's it. This guy is just a clip. Let's see where we're putting these. So we'll put one here. Yay! Much better. Yes. So that wraps up the video. Hope it was somewhat enjoyable. Wait a minute. Oh no. Wait, guys. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. It's going up too far now in the back. Don't even tell me that. God. All right, we're going right back into it. What we need to do is get in here. Maybe I should do it with the door shut. Let's see. That's probably the procedure. Let's see if it closes at least. I like it. Way better. Doesn't hit. Now let's put everything back together. Guys, it looks like that's the repair. Let's see how it looks and works with the door card so I can get out of here and make some food. Boom. Boom. I will take it. All right, guys, that sums it up. We replaced the roller. We adjusted the window. It shuts. It doesn't hit. Thanks for watching. Obviously, like and subscribe if you want to see more of this car build. I'm waiting on a few parts. We'll be installing a sensor for the fuel pressure regulator, a new AC compressor, and then I'll be scheduling a tuning session with my tuner, and I'll have that recorded as well. So there'll be a really cool video of me driving around town while my tuner is in my computer, in my laptop, remote tuning, having me do pulls and having me rev and all this stuff. So if you want to see that video, which that's a video I'd want to watch, I can't wait for that, subscribe and like this video, and you'll see that soon. So definitely subscribe to see that video. Peace.